Om Shanti, Essence of Murli, 22nd of July 2020. Let's have imbibe one more feature of Manmohini Didi ji. Taking care of many responsibilities of the Yajna. Baba is Karan Karavanhar. He does the same. Make it regular with her determination. Didi was always building. Never seen a part of pride in the word of Didi. Let's head start invaluable versions of God Shiva. Sweet children, you are very royal students. You have to stay in remembrance of the Father, Teacher and Satguru and do spiritual service. Question: what are the signs of those who move along while considering themselves to be unlimited actors? Answer: they do not let their intellects remember any subtle or corporeal bodily being. They continue to remember the one Father and their home, the land of peace, because all the greatness is of the one Father. Just as the Father helps the whole world and purifies the impure, so you children become helpers in the same way as the Father. Essence for Dharana. First point: always pay attention and make sure that your behavior is not based on body consciousness. In any way, remain very simple. Do not have an attachment to anything. Remain cautious of bad company. Second point: while making effort to have remembrance, break off all your karmic bondages and so become karmatit. Remain soul conscious for at least 8 hours and become a true helper of God. Blessing: may you become free from bondage and liberated in life and remain constantly stable in an unlimited stage. Description: body consciousness is a limited stage, whereas being soul conscious is an unlimited stage. When you enter a body, you have to enter karmic bondages and limitations. But when you become soul conscious, all of those bondages finish. It is said, those who are free from bondage are liberated in life. In the same way, those who remain stable in an unlimited stage become liberated from the vibrations and environment of the world as well as the tamoguni attitudes and attacks of Maya. This is known as the stage of liberation in life, which you have to experience at the confluence age. Slogan: the sign of a faithful intellect is that one has victory guaranteed and is carefree. No waste can come to such a soul. Om Shanti.